if you are a college student working hard to get that college degree, or that person working in a job to pay all the expenses, or someone who's just really interested in making money, this video is really important. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma and today I'm talking about 5 proven side hustles that you can start today and make some extra cash. Make that first 10, 20, 30,000 rupees per month that can help you pay for that iPhone that you want to buy in the future, to help you buy that MacBook Air in the future, to help you pay the loan that your fathers have, to help you get that future car, that future house, anything that you could dream of. Maybe you want to invest in mutual funds or stocks for your future. Whatever the reason might be, making some extra money is always a great idea. And today I'll be laying down 5 ways in which you can do that, along with practical examples, guides, and a lot of learning in this video. Watch till the end, you will learn a lot, and I will also share an amazing tool which you can use for free to build your own online store. Watch till the end. So the first way to make money as a side income is to start your own handicraft store. Now, bear with me for a minute. Look at these reels. These reels are people creating some crafts using their artsy thoughts and mind to build something creative, and they are selling it as a product to couples. This niche of selling things to couples so that they can gift it to each other is super popular. Every couple today wants to gift something or the other to each other. And so if you can create that cute looking thing, that could be a necklace, it could be a bracelet, or it could also be very simple crafts that you can see, origami that you can see on your screen, and you can start selling it to the couples. And this market sells like crazy. As you can see, there are tons of accounts which create these reels, and the opportunity that you have is to create similar reels showing what you are making and how can you impress your other partner, your other person, and you can order it from this Instagram store. So people will DM you asking for that particular product, that particular painting, that origami, and then you can ship it to them. Right? It's a very simple business model. There is nothing complicated involved over here. You simply have to first decide what do you want to create. If you are a creative person, if you can use the paper and create some origami, if you are someone who can paint very well, draw very well, sketch very well, and if you're someone who can create some simple fake jewelry, if you are good at creating all of those cute looking things, then my friend, you have a lot of opportunities here. What you would basically do is create those reels showing what you can give to your other partner, and then create it as a store. So people can DM you asking, that I want to buy this, and you will send them a Razorpay link. They will pay for it, and then you will create a shipment from delivery. So delivery will get the parcel from your address and they will ship it to their address. That is how you make a sale, and that is how the simple process works. Imagine you start with something which costs about 500 rupees and you sell it to just 10 people. That is your first 5,000 rupees in total revenue. I know there will be shipping costs involved. So it all depends on how many sales you can have, and that will depend on how many eyeballs is your Instagram page getting. Again, there are no ads. It's based purely upon you creating reels and it getting shared because it is trendy, because it looks cute, because it looks shareable. Another side hustle you can try is to identify products which India produces and sell it either globally or in the tier 1 cities of India where the margin is going to be very high. A great example is this makhana packet which is selling in India at this price and selling in US at this price. That is a huge difference. And so of course there will be fees, there will be costs, there will be a lot of duties imposed, but you will still walk away with a lot of margin. And there are many more examples of such products which India creates, and then you can sell it either in other countries or in India's tier 1 cities itself on Blinkit or other platforms. Now, how do you get to know about it? Well, there is an amazing government website called as ODOP. Check out this website. Just open it up and hover the cursor over any state, and it will tell you what are the things that are produced in this state. And then you can contact the people who are producing it, create a deal with them in which they will provide you that raw material. You will package it and you can start selling it in other places. And that could be a great way for you to make some money on the side. Now, once you obtain the product, you package it, then the next step is for you to build an e-commerce store to actually